Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable the Add to Home Screen after downloading function in Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. Okay, so the first step of the operation would be opening up the settings and scrolling down until you see the home screen section. Now, in the home screen section, go down a little bit until you see this option here. And now, when you have this lock home screen layout option disabled, you can enable this option, and it will cause your apps that you download from the App Store automatically added to your home screen right here when in the free place somewhere. So if you consider this video helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.